Hi, I'm Russell Conte with Sewpbox Productions. You're ready to piece your quilt together, but you're not certain what color thread to use for the piecing? I'm going to show you my tricks for it. Right here you'll find several colors. Let's talk more about it. When you're working with a project that has multiple colors, we want to work with a color that blends into the background the most. I tend to work with grays. I like to use with a white or a black, a light, medium, or dark gray. Grays always blend into the background. So when you're working with fabrics, oftentimes it's more important to deal with value of thread color or fabric color than it is to deal with the fabric color itself. So in this case, I'm just going to try to find a value that goes with all the different colors that I'm going to use. The edge of the cone will tell me a little bit about that, but it's much more successful to take the thread, lay it on your fabric, and see which one blends into the background the best. This one actually looks like a pretty good match. Of course, it's going to show up on the darks a little bit, but across the blue, across the tan color and the yellows, it's actually pretty good. Now that you know how I select threads for sewing projects, you can show your friends as well.